Hear that? That's the sound of my wife getting a terrible night's sleep and being too tired to help around the house tomorrow. Finally, we accepted defeat and brought home the dreaded CPAP machine.
Mommy, I had a bad dream.
Did you say something? That was the last straw. And that's when I found the ad for the Vivos appliance. So, we made an appointment, and we found out that Kim's snoring was caused by a narrow airway. Let me explain. When you fall asleep, the muscles in the back of your throat relax, causing your airway to constrict. For people like Kim who already have a narrow airway, this leaves very little room for air to pass through, which causes vibrations or snoring. The Vivos appliance is a simple-to-use mouthpiece that gently expands the upper arches of your mouth, increasing the size of the nasal cavity, maximizing airflow volume, which reduces snoring and delivers more oxygen to the body. Now she sleeps silently right through the night. The Vivos appliance really has changed both our lives.
Hey, babe. It's been a while since we've spent time together.